Ready to unlock the secrets of making money with AI? In just 3 minutes, you'll discover how to turn AI into your personal ATM. Let's get started. People are making thousands using AI, and you're still watching? In just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to turn AI into your personal ATM. No coding, no experience, just pure profits. Alright, let's dive right in. AI Side Hustle #1. Faceless YouTube Automation. Want a YouTube channel without showing your face? AI does everything. Use ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory for video editing. Some creators are making $10,000 a month without ever recording a video. Next up, AI Side Hustle #2. Freelancing on Autopilot. Freelancing but let AI do the work? Easy money. Offer AI-generated logos, AI copywriting, and AI chatbot services on platforms like Fiverr. Set up a $10 gig and get just 50 sales. Boom, $500 in your pocket. Now for the big one. AI Money Hack #3, AI-powered investing and dropshipping. Want AI to make money for you? Use AI bots to trade stocks and crypto, run dropshipping stores that sell products 24/7, and try automated print-on-demand for passive income. Alright, here's the final AI money hack and call to action. AI is printing money, and the smartest people are getting in now. Which AI hustle will you try first? Comment below, and if you want more secret AI money hacks, subscribe now. Don't miss out on the AI gold rush.